honey wa yeah juma oh honey wa yeah honey
asisi dey jira bechem
honey wa yeah juma
asisi mimi jira bechem na me no be kasa yi
ana yenya hoho kasa fidie so
o be ka chem se me hoho ene asisi dey jira bechem
yenya
when people
yenya hoho na wakasa echefo yenya hoho
Yehovah abeye 71% of Christians no musuni mo ban no Yehovah abeye Yehovah obeye 71% of Ghana for Christopher esuni ban ni ketashe ni proye and pull him down na titwa din say ye no Yehovah abeye
Kwabena, you haven't changed.
Yehovah abeye
After how many weeks of going on leave? Yes, but I was expecting somebody this and can such
what is the change supposed to be?
Drastic change.
What drastic? What drastic? Please.
No, but usuno buy no.
Yehovah be no who da so for baller touch the gotem
I mean
Yehovah be no who da so go juma 10 o'clock upon 2 Yehovah be Yehovah nyehwe e bi se picketing nurses hospital ministry pen for catch some ko chire kom no mo ko twa nyame anim Yehovah be 71% of Ghanaians are Christians. If that is the truth there Yehovah nyehwe bi Yehovah nyede because still me no kasano pa we are crying me no kasano pa hospital na ko we have a problem in this country, and yani yamo money sinking. Okay, Miss Mekau, okay, I have not changed. Me changing for what? For the worst.
No, for the better.
No, but you know, say me
because no, come
you
on.
know, say I did be heavy and there be. What do you someone told that? Me say would you call hospital? Doctor for binum kasa omo kasa patients. I don't make a doctor for binum omano krokum nipa. When you're frustrated, don't vent your frustrations on us. The doctor Asante. Reorient some of your doctors. Teach you remember be omumushe doctor for they think they are God. Nurse for quite a binum yan kakra. Yehovah beden. Yesu ni ye ban wo de ko say Yehovah eden.
Kwabena Akwaba.
Yesu any ye ban wo de ko say Yehovah eden.
Kwabena Akwaba.
You have a country where still DwasoNsem is a minister and the finance minister is still at post. I said Januma say in 2.5 years. According to Tenochi or no chino di na he okwa no kopra nantu. We have to be serious. Accident word, emergency was. Na ko Ghana for this omo did that from tam. Obi ni sati, obi ni na.
Classic chair mo
This is what we have to think about. It's not about this administration. It's about all administrations. O mining punto ni nkan kono enya dey there come so. Obi didim sa, didi left and right. Obi didi left and right.
Into the promise of protecting the public purse. Protecting the public purse.
They are controlling that public purse in collaboration with young citizens. No? We have a responsibility.
Okay.
Makachos are buying it here. Ninyuma bebrea all ye no. One he na Martin Pebuko kan o pacho no. A buying student e buy no. So one share ho so a. One obekọ pa na akofa problem abro. If you have people, revered people like Martin Pebu, or Necro Romano Timiko, it tells you that we are in a difficult time.
But
it's a sound buying
oh no
careful in this country. Susukuru is true, but Momianya careful. Let us not, because two wrongs, it doesn't make a right. Let us not agree because Nippon Koya is adiano. What cheer saying apacho. And no me can say me bunu because okanipa kuma bi o me lawyer for Ghana. And we are here, you didn't need any boo at the moment. No matter what the situation is, no, Obi to say, so Timishan also Kakrama because only probably be so. It's a no me catch no. So di Nana Adodanko Akufuado. No maybe all year will my Ghana more. No musa back be catch say COVID ni Ukraine situation e buditia. Now where do one say yeah no money bia. You if you are not careful. One never
and to be able to too.
If you are not but Tony it was not cancelled. It was on hold. Ghana Frontier. The tour was not cancelled. It was on hold because it doesn't even make sense. How do we maintain the roads? E-levy.
E-levy is
you couldn't have done that.
Yeah.
You couldn't have done that. So they were smart to put that caveat. Say it's on hold. It is no news. We had always expected it.
Okay.
Crow the John at Dawson. Yama mamu muda ho fine. Na Ghana for so share responsibility. No, yes, you play that responsibility because Ghana for the Dona we are crooks. We are very corrupt. That's why the kika kind this near people. But you soon ye bana kazano. Si anwa pania my answer. Near reorient adjuna. We are very corrupt. We don't want it to change because we are beneficiaries. They be on the castle which I see you tell. Esa secretary the pro na dokoro yentino obi abaya tell me say o sisa process ni bia no how the day no the status quo must remain. That is the country yem pese besisa by a change. It obi anu I see you for no bia ni baba. Oh, almost sometimes we am baba. Oh,
but deliberately I've decided to.
I'm surprised at them.
Not to.
If I see you no. And when you cry
me pese me na
I see you amuntie. And then me ba mo so muntie. Yes, muntie. I see you. Oh, forget about piaga. What people friend me put that. And when you must what people friend put that. And they call you friends. Munya careful. Munya careful. Sa piaga ne nko fo nya Elena ne Elena mo am kaka nyina no. Munya careful.
Which ni nyan
tetu. Munya bigin komo na be bosume be nie unhuni da. Na tell me.
Am busa wa sepa.
I don't need anything from piaga. I don't need anything from anybody there.
Am busa wa se yati ai. Na bi am busa wa se.
Na no ko ye people's forum bi na edimu pa. Me hwe Dimu papa na wa pata bi ase no mo church Yeah, it was very good.
Yeah.
Get it to the people. Tell the people that most more contribute to the problems of the country. Don't let the people feel that this government or Ghana is the problem. They are also the problem. Let us start telling ourselves at our faces, say, we are the problem of this country. And Ghana problem, no? Obi antimi solve my own. Until we get to the point, me catch us say, oh, tackle Ghana. So, what Juma was setting up now, so it was the Ghana because of people.
Yeah.
Now, what's I can't wo so na won nam MPP for years. Unam honum so kra na won adwuma se wo ye no. Onye.
So ya hwan na power that way.
You know, sometimes emo. You know, emo. What she share the bag on nam MPP for Congress as I do church. As you go first rewo. Now me no se hwan se ne so. When I'm in front of the ball in China. Who now me shall was my call 11 days off the program. One team cry on phone. You know, these people
Kofi Hassan.
They are behaving like politicians. They only need you for a course.
No, but
politicians.
I want the only in the book.
And you can't make because we are boss woman be atos, but get cry. Hey. And now me the walk. Hey.
I want you come Asante me.
Me the see her. Papa to no nya mami.
Atonyo ma se na ye.
Yehovah beye. Yehovah beye. Mama Sylvia. O nyame ehu ye mobona on cry nyina.
Oh, Kwabena afi mame mo akwa aba.
Majoso. Eya djuma kitio.
Papa say wie kwa afi na. Ni ofre wadwo Kwabena.
Have Kenya si. Esuti fi no wadwo papa. Me MP ni na maka che zo on peja ni mukakra. Wo mentenenka, me MP ni mentenenka zo on peja ni mukakra. Enti bibia ye kama.
Paulina Amo say Omanhene. The way you hit this morning on us there. I am no more I see you member.
I see you, Paulina. I see you. Ronkus, I see you. Piaga, I see you. Without them,
absolutely.
We actually.
And then comfort Esedua.
Yes.
One of our top fans. And then birthday.
Oh, okay.
Our London.
Oh, I have to sing this one for comfort.
Yeah.
You know, I made the comfort.
Okay. Okay.
Asida nina ye wude. Jesus. Oh, very good. Oh, yummy. There were ye. The baking big can say. There are no more to baking big as a baby. My voice has a movie to say that you were there.
Be a watcher.
My trouble. Go exposing weakness. Yes,